Greetings! It's me, the new Pocketbook, here to assist you with financial management. Today's lesson, the monthly budget. We will make a copy of the digital checkbook we made in Lesson 1. Then we will add an active balance section, the goal of which is to provide structure to channel financial focus. This week, I'm introducing the concept of a contingency, the idea of budgeting for financial emergencies. When used properly, this provides emergency funds without altering the budget or withdrawing from savings, but misuse will cost you. The monthly budget. To update your monthly budget, you will need access to your digital pocketbook we made from Lesson 1 and next month's income and expense data. Access Google Sheets and open the digital budget we made in Lesson 1. In the File tab, select Make a Copy. Generation. Rename your document and cell A1. Clear your C column. Now reset the color fill of your main expense list. Update expenses and values in the A and B columns. Create the active balance section by inputting the word budget in cell N2 and the word value in cell O2. Select cell P2 and input the word total. Bring the remaining funds from last month's grocery trackable section to your new active balance section. Then, clear that grocery trackable section. Highlight your information to make it easier to navigate. Important cells worth highlighting are your title cells, headers, and the main income, expense, and difference section. Be comprehensive in your expenses. Strive to track every dollar you spend. Then, consider how to best diminish the financial burden of every expense. This organization, paired with a frugal approach, will undoubtedly secure you more financial leverage and obtain a grander financial perspective. In all you do, maximize your efforts by spreading your resources through frugality and enabling them to produce for you through investing. This requires immense organization, but I believe in you. Do this consistently, and it will become your greatest attribute to financial freedom. Financial freedom is found in saving, frugality, organization, and intention. Visit this pocketbook often. Only then will it yield value. It's just a tool. As with all great works of craftsmanship, the work remains with the craftsman. Thank you.
The new Pocketbook